Hey everyone, welcome to Arts and Crafts with Tammy. Today we're making gummy candy, and in the bowl I have in front of me I have some Jello. It's a 3-ounce pack of it, and in my hands that I'm holding right now is some gelatin. I'm going to put 1 pack of that inside too. Then I'm going to pour half a cup of water. That's all you need. I'm kind of wondering if I should do even less than that, but I'm going to try it with half a cup of water. You have to stir it up really good and make sure that the sugar is dissolved. I stirred it up actually longer than what it shows on the video. However, I noticed that it was starting to harden, and I knew I needed to start putting it in the mold as quickly as possible. I didn't have a dropper with me, so as you can see I used a spoon. Got a little messy, but I was able to clean it up later on. If you're able to get a dropper, that makes this a lot easier. If you notice here, I show a picture of the dropper. That would make it so easy so it's not as messy as you see here. However, I went ahead and grabbed a fish spatula because that's the only one I had handy, and I was able to fix it up a little bit, and I'll show you in a second. See how messy it is? And I already did the first tray and I only have a little bit left I'm doing, but you can see the difference. And I'll show you now on the blue tray how quickly and easily all the liquid went into all the molds. Here we go, watch this. It's definitely getting much cleaner. There's a few little spots here and there, but otherwise way better than it did look before. And after I was done with cleaning it up, I ended up putting the whole tray in the refrigerator for a few hours. And here it is, all done. Look how easy they're coming out. This one's a lion. My tray has a lot of different animals on there. And I believe this one is a monkey. Yep, there it is. And the next one will be a penguin. Super cute. It's hard to see. And then of course the worm's easy to see. I'm happy with the way it turned out. It's a lot firmer. I've done it before where the worm actually splits in half, and this one you could see it's pretty firm. It's not gonna break at all. And here, it's slippery here, my bear. And there you go, all of them. Super cute. So I went ahead and took them all out. And it filled up the whole plate. It was a pretty good size. And there we are. I hope this gives you ideas and inspiration, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to get more ideas, subscribe and hit the notification button. In the meantime, happy crafting!